up, y'all? This is me and SRT here. Me and my buddies in a Facebook group called Pensacola Car Scene. Host car shows here and there. They host one a day. We meeting up here at the Raceway in Foley with the E85. And then we all cruising over there to OR. I'm gonna be showing y'all the racing clips maybe after we go to Mexico, because ain't nothing happening in Alabama. Never that. Never, ever, ever.
I walked out, I was like, man, this is the best. And they're like, yeah. I was like,
why did you say anything? Why'd you say that? Wide body. Racks on, Isolene, Frank. He got the checkered flag. I'm pretty sure. No way he's on the ground, but he's all dogging on the ground.
Oh, yeah, there you go, over there. This one I be needing the long ones, so I get it lower to the ground.
GD Land Ron, bro.
He was a GD Lamron. Who's that? That's the set you repping today, bro?
Nah, I'm repping BD Land Ron, bro.
We need to get him to race the troll dude. See who faster.
I wonder if he's showing up today.
I don't know if he's a Pensacola from Alabama. I don't be knowing. But I don't know where he's from this side of the state, bro. I don't be knowing where he's from. No, not the nigga following us, bro. No. Bro, the lights go hard. Look at this shit right here. Look at the lights. Hold on. I love the lights like that. I thought he was gonna run me over, bro. I thought he was gonna smush me. We heading on over to OR, y'all. Hold on, Will. Get behind the fin. Get behind the fin. Make it pop. Make the fin pop. Make it pop. Let me hear it. Turn out. Me and my buddies right here. That shit is still taking pictures. It's still recording. Like 70 fucking pictures to go on this shit. How'd you find he put lights on through the Facebook group?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
It was like a driving video at home.
What's up? What's up? What's up? I don't know. The guy must have just walked away, bro. Had to. The guy had to just walk away. Over there and yap with him, and that's about it. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah.
They ain't got just an open bottle.
Somebody blowing that gas too. The pressure. And Will's neighbor. Will loves him. My neighbor got alright, but Will. Like 80 times one day. And just like that, we're kicked out. We're heading on to Buc-ee's in Mississippi. I mean, not Mississippi, Mexico. We just got up here to Boosie's, bro, the Bookies, bro. Hey, I was like, that ain't no RT. I ain't keeping up with him. I was like, wait a minute. Then I seen the cat logo. I was like, wait, hold on. I was lost for a second. But that make all the sense now. I'll be right back. We put up here to Buc-ee's. The snack that smiles back. Goldfish. I'm gonna pop my hood.
You gotta come over. Our neighbor has the RA. Y'all should do like all three of y'all.
Bro, don't let them see it, bro.
Yeah, my daughter and son-in-law live over there.
Oh, do they go? Yeah, we're right there.
You're not ready for the super talk.
Oh my God, it's dirty as fuck.
I'm inside of the hood.